Hello everyone, your voice here, and welcome to our channel Sansevieria 101. So for this episode, we're going to feature another species that was collected by Ernst Specks, and the collection number of this specimen is under the collection number ES 20425. And like mentioned with the previous episode that I uploaded, it is collected by Ernst Specks, and the initial ES stands for Ernst Specks, and this is with the collection number ES 20425. In the earlier records of Ernst Specks, it is recorded as ES 425, just 3 digits. That is why the existing numbers for Ernst Specks, especially on the other Mafinga species or species that were collected in Mafinga that he collected, namely uh, 849. He recorded it with the first 3 digits in the initial records, but as he records or collects or assigns collection numbers for them, he added the 20 for Sansevieria. So 849 is not a valid collection number. However, people from certain countries would use ES 849 to ID as some Sansevierias that are dubious or are unknown or not, or they are not they are not legitimately with known provenance. So going back, this species or the specimen that was collected was under 3 digits, name or with ES 425, but currently it is with the collection number ES 20425. So 425, 3 digits, those are the earlier records, 3 digits that are not supposedly accepted right now. But other collectors from other parts of the country would use them to name or ID Sansevieras that have dubious origins. So please note that they are not accepted as true IDs. The ES collection or Ernst Specks collection would really have 5 digits for Sansevierias. Usually, all of them would start with 20, but they could also start with 10 something. So for Sansevierias, they're all 5 digits, and what we're discussing right now is having the collection number 20425. So this specimen is also described by the late Mike Phillips as a new species with no formal naming. Um, he provisionally named it as Sansevieria species Kitonga, which is correct because it was found in Kitonga, like I mentioned, like the previous episode that I featured. It's also found in Kitonga, but the difference is on this specimen that I'm showing right now, this is the one having the spurs or spikes at the end of the leaf canal. So this is quite unique because the spikes, the only Sansevierias that I know from my experience that has spikes on them are the other species Metallica brandis, which has spikes or protrusions at the back part of the leaf. This species ES 20425 has protrusions or spikes at the end of the leaf canals, and was named after the one who described it as the species that is known right now as Sansevieria mikephillipsii. So that is how the name came to be. I have given you the collection number. I have also given you the previous comparison for the earlier collected specimen, which is ES 20424. Right now we're discussing the ES 20425, which has the unique spurs or spikes on them. So like what I'm showing you right now, that's how the leaf canal looks like, and at the end of it you'll see the spikes or protrusions. And aside from that, it looks very similar to ES20424, which is the one that I have featured before it. They also look like the species downsii. That's why I'm going to feature downsii right after I have finished uploading 20424 and 20425. So I guess this is it for this episode, and for the review of ES20425. If you like the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, everyone.